Now, structure of tooth. When we open our mouth and look in the mirror, we can see our teeth. The soft gums hold our teeth tightly at their place. Each tooth has two parts, crown and root. The part of the tooth that we see in crown and the part inside the gum which we cannot see is root. Dear students, the part which we can see, this is known as crown, and the part which we cannot see, okay, it's known as root. Okay, the outside white covering of the tooth is called enamel. This is the hardest material in the human body. In this picture you can see this is the hardest part of the tooth. This is called enamel. Okay, the layer inside the enamel that forms the main hard part of the tooth is called dentine. Dear students, in this picture you can see that the layer inside the enamel that forms the main hard part of the tooth is called dentine. Okay, this is the picture of dentine. Here is the dentine. Okay, the center of a tooth is called pulp. This is the center of the tooth and it is known as pulp. It lies inside the dentine. This is soft and has blood vessels and nerves. This is the gum and this is the nerves. Okay, these are the nerves. Now, tooth decay. When we eat small bites of food may stick between our teeth. When we do not brush our teeth properly, these stuck food roots and our teeth get covered with a thin sticky layer of germs called plaque. This plaque reacts with the sugar present in the blood food to produce acid which affects the tooth enamel and starts decaying it. This is called tooth decay. It causes holes or cavities in the enamel or dentine. As a result, the nerves and the blood vessels in the pulp get exposed. Thus, tooth decay occurs when any cold or hot thing comes in the contact with these exposed nerves. We get a toothache. Thus, tooth decay causes the following: toothache, foul smell from the mouth, stomach disorders, holes or cavities in the teeth, loss of teeth, bleeding gums. Dear students, this is a picture of tooth decay. Okay, now MCQs. First, tooth decay causes. Answer is C, both of these. Second number, molars are also called. Answer is C, grinding teeth. Third number, the center of each tooth is called. Answer is B, pulp.